my first video was so much better because I had so much energy to talk about this hair. I lost my train of thought. What's up, Diva gang? I'm so upset because I recorded this video earlier and for some reason my camera just kept auto-focusing and it was like a hot mess. So I'm redoing this video over and I hope nothing goes wrong so I could get this video out here to you guys. So basically this video is gonna be about this Beauty Forever hair that I have on my unit. I've been wearing this unit for a whole entire year, guys, consecutively for a whole entire year. Yo, when I tell you, divas, I am in love with this Beauty Forever hair. I am in love with it, y'all. I'm so in love with it. No, I'm not being sponsored by them to put this video out. Like I said, I've been wearing this unit for a whole entire year. So this video is gonna be based off what I have experienced for a whole entire year with this same hair. This hair is constructed on a dome cap that I had made. And y'all, I have nothing but good things to say about this hair. I done told my mama about this hair. I done told friends about this hair. I done told co-workers about this hair. Every time somebody see me, they always ask me, what kind of hair you got and what kind of hair you got and can you send me the link? No problem. I'll send y'all the link with no problem. Now, me, I got 2 kids. I'm always trying to find a way to get a bang for my buck. Yeah, I could go out and buy a $400, $5 hair, but sometimes you don't always want to do that. And looking for a cheaper alternative. Now, the only thing I put in this hair is the Garnier Fruity Sleek and Shine oil. I will drop that also in the description bar. What I use to wash this hair is the Organics Moroccan and Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner to wash this hair. That's the only products I use in this hair, y'all. Even say this is a con about this hair, but I notice when the hair is dirty, where I have my comb placement in the back, I notice like the hair that's around the comb or close to the comb sometimes get a little tangled. And when it start doing that, I notice that I have to wash this hair. Now let me tell y'all the pros about this hair. This hair can get bone straight, y'all, with no problem. I mean bone straight. So if y'all going for that cute, sexy, bone straight look, y'all, this is the type of hair that y'all need. I'm so excited because this is some bomb hair. Like I said, I'm not getting paid to make this video. I'm not being sponsored by Beauty Forever hair. This is some good hair. The next pro that I got is this hair could hold a curl for about a week. I done put curls in this hair for my maternity pictures. I done put curls in this hair for my baby shower, and the curls last a long time. Everything that I use on my hair will be down below in the description bar, ladies. Y'all definitely have to check this hair out if y'all trying to get a bang for y'all buck, because y'all can't afford all them $500 $400 name brand virgin hair companies, definitely check out Aliexpress Beauty Forever Hair, y'all. Now, a lot of people sit and complain about Aliexpress and about vendors on Aliexpress. I feel like people hit a wall when they do not do their homework, they do not do their research. The way I found out about Beauty Forever Hair was, one, of course, I checked YouTube. Several videos of people doing reviews on this hair. I also read their comments, skimmed through their comments of their videos to see if other people have purchased Beauty Forever Hair, to see what they were saying about it. And then I also checked the AliExpress store. I done found the hair that I wanted. I went to their reviews. I checked out the people that was leaving their reviews. I checked out the pictures the people was leaving. Not only did I just check out reviews from the hair that I wanted, I also checked out the reviews from other types of hair that they was selling on a store, and I read those type of reviews just to get a feel of what kind of products they was putting out, so I could be like, okay, is this vendor is for me, y'all. And I'm so glad I did that, because I have to say, I am so glad I went with Beauty Forever Hair, because they hair is the bomb, y'all. It is the bomb. It is the bomb. One, it's affordable. Customer service is A1. Helen and her team is fantastic. She's always, like, if you go follow their page on Aliexpress, they will send you alerts on when they having specials on their hair, coupons, and everything. She is amazing when it comes to customer service and communication. You will not have a problem with communication with this company, y'all. Oh my God, like, I can't express how much I feel. Like, I've never ordered hair from AliExpress before. This is my first time ordering hair from AliExpress. I done and went with another vendor, spending $400 or $500 on hair, and it was worth it. But once that vendor, you know, no longer was available, I had to find a different vendor, and that is how I came across Beauty Forever Hair, ladies. So if y'all trying to be out here looking pretty, you know, have the cute bobs for the summer, check out their hair. Now, I cannot tell you about any of the other textures on the store, because I have not yet experienced any other textures like body wave, deep wave. I have not experienced. I'm only going based off of the straight hair. If y'all divas are trying to look for a bang for y'all buck without breaking the bank, check out Beauty Forever Hair, y'all. I can't stress that enough. I cannot stress that enough. I love this hair. Now, will this be the last time I wear this wig? Hell no. Will this be the last time that I order from Beauty Forever Hair? Hell no, y'all. That's how much I love this hair. I never felt so good about a company before, where their customer service is A1. They product is A1, y'all. It's can honestly say, for a whole entire year, and this hair still holding up good. My wefts is not sealed, none of that. It's amazing. It is amazing. Now, when I construct my wig, I don't go through my wefts, I go around them. But Beauty Forever Hair, ladies, check it out, check it out, check it out. I'm promising y'all, y'all cannot go wrong. Y'all cannot go wrong with this hair. Y'all cannot. And also, they closures bleach with no problem. That was the first thing I started out with, was buying their closures. So I would buy their closures, like 2-3 closures at a time. And they closures bleach with no problem. It takes bleach like that. It takes color like that. I'm so geeked up because this here is phenomenal. It's amazing. I never been geeked up about something before. Now, I'm always, you know, trying to help other females find different ways where they could save money. So ladies, if y'all want to save money and, you know, experience with some virgin hair, definitely check out Beauty Forever Hair. Y'all would not go wrong, ladies. But definitely tell me what y'all think about this video. Definitely tell me if y'all experience with Beauty Forever Hair, and just drop y'all comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to y'all divas later.